Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix low volume problem on your OUKITEL WP300. So first, what we want to do is we want to adjust media and call volume in these settings. So open up the settings right here. Now in those settings, let's go over and scroll down to sound and vibration. Here we have media and call volume first, so make sure that you max out both of those settings if you have a low volume problem. Now we want to make sure that do not disturb right here is off, and after that we need to clean our speakers because it's very important that they are not filled with dust, debris or anything else. So make sure that they're clean. And after that, what you guys want to do is restart your phone. So it's very important to restart the phone because it can fix any minor glitches and it will refresh the system. So hold the power button only, tap restart and click OK. Now the phone is restarting and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. After the phone restart, what you guys want to do is check for software updates as a last resort. So you want to go over into the settings, now scroll down and go to system. Here go to system updates and now check for update to make sure that you're running the latest version. As you guys can see, I do, but if you don't, then make sure to update it. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.